It's so much fun to steal the police's helicopter when they're not here. Okay, we should probably get going now. Okay, 1 minute. I'm gonna poop all over the helicopter's controls. Hashtag YOLO. Okay, that's actually pretty disgusting and gross. Um, are you done? Dude, that was the best thing ever. You just took like 50 shits all over that thing. I know, that was the best thing ever. I just pooped for so long. And now let's get out of here before the stupid police come back.